Hi, so I'm Kit Stevens. I'm the Sales Director at Rapid Technologies. We're a company that's been established for over 40 years and we're based in Liverpool. We specialise in delivering high quality audiovisual and connectivity solutions for a mixture of construction firms, office fit out specialists and also just end users across the UK. We're a family run business with over 40 years of experience. We work very closely with main contractors, interior designers, facilities managers and IT teams, basically to ensure that their audiovisual and network infrastructure is seamlessly integrated into their spaces. What sets us apart from other providers is our proven track record, and I think the fact that the company's been established for so long speaks volumes. You can just take a look on our website and see some of our customers and who they are, some very large FTSE 100 companies. We have a consultative approach which also makes us different to some of our competitors, so we don't just supply and install equipment, we're not just a box shifter. A common theme that I see day in day out is very often that we're a late consideration for contractors or end clients. And the problem with that is then it might be too late to implement what is actually right for the client. For instance, the electricians might have already done their second fix and put the power and data in the wrong place, or cables might have been ran and then the concrete floor has been laid, which means that the end user, the end client, doesn't then receive the most optimal solution for them. So by engaging with us early, it'll help really mitigate these problems that could have actually been easily avoided. So a recent project we carried out was for Black Capital Group in partnership with a fit-out company, and this includes multiple audiovisual elements such as a fully integrated Microsoft Teams video conferencing system, wireless presentation technology in pods and meeting spaces, also a digital signage network in the reception and breakout areas to make sure that staff were being alerted to any announcements for that week, or any just general stats. We also integrated a room and pod booking solution, which meant the staff could, even if they were based at home, they could check availability of rooms, for instance, on a Tuesday afternoon, and see what rooms were available and book out that space. So we worked particularly closely with the client's IT and design teams from sort of concept to completion. So we got in very early, which is what we always advise. And that made sure that every piece of technology served a real business function, while also making sure that the overall aesthetic and user needs were captured. So our biggest piece of advice would be to engage an audiovisual partner early. Too often we see that businesses treat audiovisual technology as an afterthought, and by then it's actually too late to properly integrate without compromising on cost or quality. So we would encourage clients to involve us during the design, the planning phases, and that allows us to offer advice, possibly design a better solution than what was originally thought of, and make sure that the space, the services and the budgets are aligned from day one. So we're here to guide you through the sort of complex world of workplace technology, because there are a lot of different pieces of technology that are out there. So speak to us early and we'll help you make the most of your investment.